Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the batteries on a Weiser Smartcode lock. This is a simple tutorial and I will be going over these step-by-step instructions for easily changing the batteries in a lock just like this one. Now this is actually the Weiser Smartcode 10, I believe, the one with the touchscreen edition. However, the process is going to be very similar for the majority of Smartcode locks. You're going to want to remove the panel. Now this is the inside panel because you can tell because of the latch over here. You're going to want to remove that. Okay, so in order to do that, in this case there is a Phillips head. There are two Phillips head screws on the lock itself. So I just have this this screwdriver right here. We're going to start off by removing the one on the left, and you don't want to strip these screws. I'll tell you why. It's really easy to sort of tighten them in too tightly, and you might end up stripping them or losing them like that. So be very careful. Oop, almost again. Be very careful. I got that screw. Be very careful that you don't over tighten them or lose them. Very, very important because they are very specific screws, and yes, you can get replacements, but it's just easier if you don't lose them. So it's very, very important to be quite careful. I will tell you, I always drop them, so I'm kind of prepared to get them quickly, and you know, just be careful. All right, so once you have those screws removed, place them safely to the side. You're going to want to pull off the cover. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to pull this backwards towards me. Okay, wiggle it off just like that. You've now exposed the internals of the actual unit. Now, when you want to change the batteries, you're going to have to take the battery compartment out. If you look right here, there's a battery compartment. To take it out, you just pull it out like that. Okay, so I literally just pulled it out, and it even shows which side is the door side. As you can see, there are some batteries in there. I'm going to remove these old batteries. In this case, there are 4 AA batteries in it. Place them to the side over there. And I'm going to replace them with 4 new batteries. Okay, so I have 4 new AA batteries right here. I'm going to place them. Make sure you're placing them in the right orientation. I know that this probably goes without being said, but you know, if you put the batteries in the wrong way, the lock is not going to work, obviously, just like anything else that you're doing. So you're going to take the batteries, put them in place. Then you're going to put this back into the slot. Once again, it shows which way is the door side. Just place it like that. Okay, very simple and straightforward. As you can hear right there, that is letting me know that I've done it properly. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that lock cover, we're going to place it back in place, just like that, and then we're going to get our 2 screws and we're going to tighten them back up. Now once again, as you'll see as I tighten the screws, I'm going to hold the door with my foot on the side here. You'll see as I tighten the screws, there is no need to over tighten them, okay? All you got to do, just get them in place like that. They're like, when they go into the slot there, they're already holding the cover in place. So there's no need to really over tighten them. And you're gonna have to replace the batteries again. So just, you know, tighten them just enough so that they're easy to remove. Just a simple tip, because if you lose those screws, or if you strip them, or if you ruin them, you know, it's gonna cause some problems for you. But that's it. That is essentially how to change the batteries on a Weiser Smartcode lock. Once again, this is I believe it's a Weiser Smartcode 10 touchscreen edition, the touch edition. However, the process is going to be very similar for the majority of Smartcode locks. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.